The Holy Spirit power is not just emotion or hype, but this is power to overcome. There are 3 ways that power changes people. Number 1, power reveals. It does not create. Power is a spotlight. It doesn't make you someone new. God, it shows what is really already in your heart. Yingakho umuntu moke wamnika amandla uyavela mtshele kancane kancane uyavela. If someone had greed, power will make them corrupt. Abantu abenza corruption emsebenzini emalini kahulumeni kuyo yonke indawo, abantu ababenjani ababe greedy bengakangena emandleni bangena emandleni basebenza corruption. It's not true that every politician is corrupt, but it is true that everyone who was greedy before they went in power, when they are in power, power will reveal them. You will see them by being corrupt, because power will reveal. Ngithi kini mina umuntu uma ngabe wayine low self esteem enama insecurities ene fear, once wamnika amandla uba controlling and bully to people. No supervisor wakho yibully, hamba uyombuza kubantu engakabi usupervisor wayinama insecurities. Most husbands that are controlling abantu abane low self esteem lapho. Ipower yamenza ukuthi abenjani abe controlling. Power isolates. Amandla mayike afika kuwe ayakudedisa, ayakukhipha, ayaku-isolate. Kunabantu ozuhleli nabo ama conversation akubhore usuke kubo. The power that you have received isolate you. If someone have a kingdom culture, power will make them serve. Oh, power will make them. Umuntu wombuso bazalwane amandla mayike wawathola amenza abona abanye bebakhulu kunaye.